freaking stuff.
Part 2.
There's freaking stuff in my hair.
Okay, we're still walking in this park. Oh, that's a pretty tree without leaves.
We should go climb it.
No, it's not. That's Sarah that climbs trees.
I tried to climb that tree and there's orange things right there.
What?
With my cousins.
There's orange what?
Orange things right there. Like orange little bugs.
Those orange bugs?
Mm-hmm.
Those orange and black ones?
Yeah, I think.
Darren and Kaylee?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Shout out to Darren and Kaylee. Because we were doing like pictures. Ew, this like is so ugly during like the summer.
But see, do you have hot chocolate?
Dude, there's a pond over there.
Do you have hot chocolate?
I don't know.
We're gonna go check it out.
Oh. There's a boat right there.
We're gonna go check it out.
There's like a little rowboat.
We're gonna go check it out.
All right. Oh, what is that?
A little sewer.
It's not a sewer. Are you stupid? It's a little pond. Not a sewer.
Betsy, that is a sewer.
It's not a sewer.
Yes, it is, Betsy. It's not a pond. That's a pond.
Well, no, it's like a little creek thing.
Yeah.
I wonder how you get up to that little platform thing.
You have to swim.
There's a thing about like a ducky.
We're not gonna go over there because that's somebody's property. I want to go back home. Do you want to go back home? Okay. Say bye, Betsy.
Bye.
Bye. We love you.